What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Cookmate with another fantastic recipe. Today we're going to prepare bread omelette, exactly the street style. So without any further delay, let's roll the intro. Let's start off with the ingredients: garlic, tomatoes, onions, green chili, cheese, paneer, eggs, butter, black pepper powder, bread obviously. Now let's fire up the pan and set it to low flame and add 1 tablespoon of butter and spread it over. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and give it a stir. Make sure the raw smell finds its way out. Now let's add some paneer into it. Slightly fry the paneer in the delicious butter, and now let's add in some chopped onions, chopped green chilies, and fry it a bit more. So basically this is gonna go in as a mid-layer stuffing for a bread omelette. So once it's fried, let's add some pepper and finish it off. Now set this aside and let's get our pan ready for the bread omelette. Add some butter to it, more butter. Everybody loves butter, so do I. I've taken about 2 eggs, whisk it nicely and pour in, followed by 2 slices of bread. Just dip it and flip it over. I've cut out the edges of the bread. I'm not really a big fan of it. If you are, let me know down in the comments what is your favorite, with or without. Now flip the other side and cook it on a high flame. Make sure you're using a non-stick pan, else you're gonna screw up the entire dish. Give a few pats on and feel the fluff. I always enjoy doing it. So will you. Now it is time to add in our stuffings. Flip it over again, add onions, tomatoes and green chilies and our special paneer. Now throw on a slice of cheese, add some pepper, now let's pack in the corners and flip 1 slice of bread on top of the other and cook slightly on a low flame for the cheese to melt down. Give it a few presses and flip it over and cook the other side as well. Trust me, this is such an easy recipe anybody could cook. It is healthy, tasty and saves a lot of time. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and let me know your experience down in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and enter the Cookmate family. Cookmate is all about inspiring, helping you cook and enjoy. Stay tuned, see you next time.